very great pleasure having you all here. A very great pleasure having you all here. Yeah, you are all warmly welcome. Now, today we are moving on straight to where we ended in our previous lesson on website building. So, if you are here, you are warmly welcome. Just type your country or your location, wherever you come from, just type it in the comment section for me to know you can hear me well, and we take it from there right away. From comment below for me to see that you can hear me well so that we start the training right away. So I'm waiting for your comments. If you are here, just type your location, anywhere you are coming from, type it in the comment section. Where are you watching from? Just type it in the comment section so that I know you are here and you can hear me well. If you're not hearing me well too, let me know, okay? Let me know in the comment section so that I make proper adjustments for you. Okay, Andrew is saying he can't hear anything. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? I want to know if you can hear me, then we proceed. Okay. If you can hear me, just type your location, anywhere you are coming from, just type it in the comment section so that I see you can hear me. Let me give you some music at the background before we start. Yes, type it in the comment section so that I know you can hear me well. Can you hear me? Is it loud and clear? Let me know. All right. All right. Great. So we have Andrew here, we have Paddy, we have Johnny, we have Joyforce ID Services. You're all welcome. You're all welcome to the training. So quickly, we are going to go straight to where we ended previously. Okay. We are going to start from where we ended previously in our last week training where I came live. So if you haven't watched that training, right after this one, go back to that training and watch it, okay? So that you will not miss whatever we learned in our previous trainings. So in our previous trainings, we learned a lot about how to create websites. But before learning about it, there are some key things that you're supposed to know. That is what I taught you in our previous training, right? Good. And then we got to know the various landing page builders that you are supposed to have which you are going to use to create your website or your free landing page. That is what we discussed in our previous lesson. So you are warmly welcome. That is where we are going to continue from. So if you haven't gotten access to that one, you check the description, okay? The description below, this live training description below, you'll see some links there which will direct you to the previous training that we did. That is the part one of building the website. Okay, there are several links there that you can click to go and watch. You can do that after this training so that you don't miss this one. Today we are going to go straight to the point. All right, we are going to go straight to the point. Okay, so I showed you several landing pages here, free ones, paid ones, and then we got to know the ones how they are also going to be used. And then I showed you that before you start any website creation or before you start any landing page creation, you need these three key things, right? We talked about the content, we talked about the flyer, we talked about the direct link, the redirect link, and then or the payment link. Now, most of you said you are having your flyers already, your pictures already, right? So I decided that then I will teach you how to create your own content for the particular course or the particular product that you are going to sell. And I taught you how to do that using AI. I hope you remember. So if you were not here, then you have lost it. Go back to the previous training, you will get access to it. So we learned how to create websites using AI to get it easily within few clicks. I even gave you the right words that you are going to give to the AI to create them. So that is that. Now, after getting your website content, you said you have your flyers ready, so I'll skip this one. We are moving on to the third one, which is the redirect link or the payment link. The redirect link or the payment link. If we say redirect link, we are talking about a link that somebody will click. And as soon as the person clicks that link, it will take the person to the page that you want him or her to go to. Do you get it? So let's take it as maybe you want the person to come to you directly from the particular website or from the particular social media handle that you've posted your content. If the person clicks it and the link takes the person directly to you to find more about the product or the service that you are rendering, then that link is a redirect link. I hope you get me. Good. So we are going to learn, I will teach you step by step how to create your redirect link. I will teach you briefly. It is not difficult. You can do it. Right here, we are going to learn how to create your personal WhatsApp link. So if you don't know how to create it, don't worry, I will teach you. Right after that, we are also going to talk about the VIP class, which is ongoing, right? This is international payment platform setup. So most of you are having products that after you have told people about it, maybe the person is in Nigeria. The person is, if you're in Nigeria, maybe the person is in Ghana, right? And if you're in Ghana, maybe the person is in Nigeria, in South Africa, in Kenya. The person is within different country, which is not in your specific country, okay? But you want to receive payment from the person so that you give the person access to your course or you give the person access to your product, okay? How are you going to receive that? Are you going to use the Western Union to receive it or Bitcoin or what? This is the step-by-step training that I have prepared, and it is especially for those that are serious and want to learn it well. So if you want to get access to that VIP training, it is ongoing. We started the training long time and a lot of people have already joined. So I'm not going to waste much time on it. If you want to join that training, there is a link in the video description below. This video description below, check it. You will see a link there which I have titled it VIP training, International Payment Setup VIP Masterclass, something like that. So you click it and then you go register and then you join the masterclass right away. I hope you get me. Good. So after learning all this, those that are already in the class that have learned all this, I believe by now you have been able to set up your various payment platforms and you have gotten your links ready. So if you have your links ready, well done. you are going to add those links to your website, which we are going to create right now. Okay, and then if you are not having such payment, international payment platform links, then you are going to learn how to create this personal WhatsApp link. So you are going to replace wherever we are going to add a redirect link, you will add your personal WhatsApp link. I hope you get me. Good. So that is what we are going to do right now. Now, let's get started. So we are going to learn how to create your personal WhatsApp link. I'm going to share my screen with you and then I'll take you through. So stay tuned. If you can hear me, just type personal link in the comment section whilst I switch to my screen to show you how to go about it. Type personal link in the comment section so that I see you are following and you can hear me. Personal link. Just type personal link, or just type link in the comment section so that I know you can hear me well. Then we proceed from there. If you can hear me well, type link, just link, or just personal link for me to know you can hear me well so that I proceed. Just type link or personal link, either personal link or link. I just want to know whether you can hear me very well. So I share my screen, then we proceed. All right, great. So you can hear me. Now let's proceed. So I'm taking you to my screen and I will show you step by step how to go about that. Okay. Let me rename it my screen for easy access. Great. So if you can see my screen now, let me know. Type yes if you can see my screen. Type yes. Type yes if you can see my screen. If you can see my screen now, type yes. Yeah, type yes. If you can see my screen now, type yes. Type yes, I can see. Let me know if you can see my screen now. Type yes. Can you see my screen now? Yeah, type yes for me to know if you can see it well so that we proceed. Great. So as I said, it's either you use your international payment link at where you insert your link, or you use your personal WhatsApp link at where you insert your link. Okay. Now we are going to learn how to create our personal links for whatever product or service that we are having, for which after advertising to people, they will click and come to you right away. Now let's get started. If you can see my screen, I'm moving on to the page and then we proceed from there. So all that you're going to do is just go to Google and then you type Walink. It is just as easy as ABC. Just type Walink like this and then you enter, right? So after typing in the Walink, you'll see the first page will come where they've written create WhatsApp links. Create WhatsApp links. Good. So you see create WhatsApp link. You just click on it to open that link and then you come to this page. Okay. As soon as you come to this page, just take your time and go through it. You scroll down, and then you see create your free link over here, right? So you see I have scrolled down a little. You come to this site. Good. Create your free link here. So what I'm going to do is over here you will type your phone number, and then over here you will type the particular message that you want your clients to come to you with. Why is this necessary? The reason for this message being necessary is that people like us who offer several courses online, somebody might come to you and then the person will want maybe access to our Nigerian importation masterclass. Somebody will want access to maybe our smartphone video editing masterclass. Somebody will want access to our international payment setup masterclass. You see, there are several courses that we are rendering. Okay, so if the person comes to you, for you the person, you the instructor, for you to know that this is the actual course that the person is coming for, the person has to include something within that message for you to be able to identify it. You get it? Yeah, so that is it. Some of us also use auto respondents. So those of us that use the auto respondent apps, if the person clicks on it and then it takes the person to you directly, the person will now add his or her name to it, and then there is a particular keyword which you can add in the message, the custom message, which as soon as the person clicks and it takes the person to you directly, your auto respondent app will now grab that particular keyword and will now be able to provide all the details needed for the person to register right away. I hope you get me. So over here, you're going to type your phone number. Let me type our usual WhatsApp phone number here. This is in Ghana. If you're in Nigeria, you will click where the flag is, right? You will click here and then you change it to Nigeria. Okay, you change it to whichever country that you are in. Whichever country that you are in. Okay, there are several countries here. You just scroll through and then you select your country. But I am in Ghana currently, so I'm going to select this for Ghana, and then you see that the country code is here, +233. So what you're going to do next is to type your phone number, so 0507726747. Right? Good. After typing in the phone number, now I type my message here. Maybe I want anybody that clicks the link to come to me with this message. Let me type it. Hi, Ebenezer. Hi, Ebenezer. I just watched your live stream. On YouTube, and I want to register for the international payment platform. Am I writing proper things here? Yeah, payment platform setup VIP class. All right. So hi Ebenezer, I just watched your live stream. All right, on YouTube, and I want to register for the international payment setup VIP class. Then maybe the person says, my name is then dot dot dot. You get it? So you are the one typing this message here, right? So this is how it's going to look like. After getting the link, anybody that clicks the link will take the person to you directly on WhatsApp, on that particular number that you have provided here. Okay, good. So the person will click, it takes the person to you directly with this message, and the person will have to add his or her name here. So as soon as it takes the person to you, now you will know that the person wants access to which of your courses, the international payment platform setup VIP class. So maybe you are selling shoes and you have created a landing page for several kinds of shoes, okay, and the person wants the newest one. Okay, after creating this link, you can type something in there like that, for which the person clicks and comes to you. I hope you get me. So this is the message that you give to clients, that you add, and then the person clicks the link, it takes the person to you. So after you are done with this, now you come to where they've written generate my link. So I'm clicking on that. So generate my link. I click on generate my link, and then you will be granted the link. So you see this side, link, right? And then they also even give you a QR code, which people can just scan the QR code and it will take them directly to you for whichever business that you want to do with them. I hope you get me. So over here, all that you're going to do is either you highlight it like this and then you copy, or you come to this side, you click on copy link, or you come to this side, you click on download QR, and the QR code will be downloaded. I hope you get me now. If you can get what I did, just comment in the section yes, I get it. Comment in the section yes, I get it. Type in the comment section yes, I get it. If you saw everything that I did, type in the comment section yes, I get it, so that I know you got everything well. Then we proceed from there. Type in the comment section yes, I get it, so I see that you get everything well. Yes, I get it. I want to know if you can hear me and then you saw everything that I did. Just type yes, I get it, for me to know. Okay, so Paddy is here. Paddy said he has seen it. All right, good. Bonzi too is here. Bonzi is saying he has gotten it. Great, great, great. That's fine. Who again? That's fine. That's fine. So after creating it like this, now I have copied my link. Okay, good. So all that I'm going to do is I can just paste it anywhere, or you can add it to the message for your particular product or service that you're rendering, and as soon as the person clicks it, it takes the person to you. So this same link is what we are going to use if you are not having international payment platform set up yet. You are going to use your personal WhatsApp link, at where I will add the link. I hope you get me. So let me type it here. Let me add it here and see how it goes. Good. So now you see, as soon as the person clicks, okay, this is how it is going to look like. So your business name will come. If you are not having any business on WhatsApp, if your WhatsApp account is not a business account, mine is a business account which is registered. Okay, that is why you are seeing NST IT services here. So if yours is not registered, if it is even just a normal WhatsApp number or whichever, the name that you use to register is what will come. So the person will click on continue to chat, and this is the message that will come. Okay, hi Ebenezer, I just watched blah blah blah. The one that you put there is what will come. Then the person will just add his or her name, and then you continue with whatever business or whatever transactions you want to do with the person. So this is how we create our personal WhatsApp link. Okay, this is how we create our personal WhatsApp link. Can I proceed now? Yeah, so Paddy, what I said is that as soon as you finish creating your personal WhatsApp link, you just scroll down and then you click on the copy. After clicking on the copy, your link will be created, and you can add that link to whichever content you are having that you want to sell, or whichever product you have that you want to sell. Okay, the message that you are going to craft for your people, you will add the link to it. So as soon as the person clicks the link, it will take the person directly to you. You can paste the link at anywhere, Paddy. So let me quickly let me go to, now I have created a link here. Just copy it, and you can even paste it in your notepad. If you're using a computer, you can paste it in your MS Word link or whatever. Okay, so for instance, you see I have copied the link. I can paste it here right away, and you can click it. Okay, look at the comment section. You see my link there, the one that I just created. All right, you see it with the name Money Literate Academy. Have you seen it? Yeah. So as soon as you copy it, you can paste it at anywhere you want your link to be. So right now, after creating it, just paste it in your notepad if you're using a phone, or if you're using a computer, you can paste it in your MS Word or whichever notepad, book, or whichever any writing app that you have. You can just, now that you've copied it, you can just tap there and then paste it there. I hope you get me now. So can we proceed? Can we proceed? If you can hear me, if you can get it now, type yes, I get it. Yes, I get it. Just type yes, I get it, so that I proceed. So the link that I just created, you see I have sent it here, right? Good. So that is that. Great, great, great. So you can hear me now. That's great. Good, good. So I'm now switching from my phone screen, and then we are going to proceed from here. All right. So we have been able to create our personal WhatsApp link now, right? The next thing that we are going to talk about is the international payment platform. I've already talked about it. If you have not registered for the class, click the link in the video description, this description below. You will see a link there which will take you to the platform to register, so that you will learn everything about how to create the payment platform, how to create online payment gateways for whichever courses that you are having. Okay, let me show you quickly how it works. A brief summary of how it works, so that you will not get confused. All right, good. So I'm going to show you a sample of how it works before we start our website creation. So give me a few minutes. Give me a few minutes. Let me switch to. All right. So let's go to our screen. I'm displaying my screen now. Okay. So after creating your platform, this is a sample, not all, a sample, right? I have created the international payment platform already for one of the courses called video editing, mobile video editing. And then after creating it, I decided to shorten it so that anybody that wants access can easily copy and then not get confused. So this is just a short form of the payment link that I have already created, right? So don't get confused. Okay, so yeah, if you can see it, let me know. If you can see it, let me know. Great. So this is one of it, right? The person, as soon as the person is going to do is, I have a written masterclass. If you want to join, you can join. Check the description below. There is a link there which you can click to join. Okay, register and join. So the person will now come here, and then he or she will click on buy now, and then the person will now type his or her name, first name, last name, email, phone number, and then you see there are several countries here. So if the person wants to join from Mauritius, Mauritania, Mez platform, okay, type and then we'll pay. Whether the person wants to pay with credit card, debit card, MasterCard, or whatsoever, right? Good. So that is how it works. That is how the payment platform works. So now we are moving on straight to our next lesson, which is how to create the landing page or the website. Now that we have everything ready, so now we have our we have our content ready. Using AI, we have been able to create it. We have our flyer ready. We have our redirect link ready. So what you're going to do is to proceed with our website creation, right? Good. So quickly, I'm still going to take you to the screen where we start the lesson. So over here, let me clear this. All that you're going to do is just type stemmy.io. I've already showed you system.io, right? System.io. So you type it. Let me clear this so that you don't get confused, right? Let me type Google here. Let's take it as you have now gone to Google. So Google, and then you come to Google and then you type system.io. System.io. And then you see the first one that will come. It has a free website builder plan for, oh gosh, sorry, I've not shared the screen to you. Okay, let me share it right away. I thought I've shared it with you. Sorry, I'm coming. All right, can you see the screen now? Just type I can see. If you can see the screen now, type I can see. So we proceed from here. Type I can see. So we proceed from here. If you can see the screen now, type I can see. Type I can see. All right. So Paddy can see. Great. So if you can see, then let's proceed. So I'm going to my page now and then we proceed from there. So now that you are at systemi.io, all that you're going to do is you register. I showed you previously how to register. Okay, if you haven't registered before, if you haven't been on the platform before, you will click here and then you type your email and then you type start for free now. After clicking on start for free now, they will send you, I think they will send you a code to verify before they make you, they grant you access, right? Good. So you follow the same procedure I have taught you previously in the previous videos. I've made several videos on it already. So if you want to learn about how to sign up, if you have never signed up before, check this video's description below. You will see the training there, right? You will see a part where I've labeled it creating landing page part 1 and then creating landing page part 2. It will take you through the step-by-step procedure that you're supposed to use to register and everything. So I'm going to continue right from there so we don't waste much time. So if you have already signed up on the platform, what you're going to do is to click on sign in. Okay, this side. This is where you will click sign in. So you click on sign in and then you enter your email and then your password. Do you get me? So the email that we used when we were learning how to register on the platform, this is the same email that I'm going to use. Okay, honestyhub7@gmail.com. This email is for practicals only. If you send me a message on this email, I will never respond. Okay, if you want to message me on Honesty Hub IT Services, right? honestyhubitservices@gmail.com. That is the email that I will respond to you. If you use any other email, I won't respond. So now let's use this practical section email, honestyhub7@gmail.com, and let me type in my password here to log in right away for you to see how to go about everything. All right, so I'm signing in now. So the same procedure that I'm following, it is the same thing that you see, right? Then you follow. So after typing in your mail and password, you see two-factor authentication. That one will be sent to the particular email that you used to register, which you have just entered, right? So over here, they have sent it to me. Let me type it. There is a code here, 432887. Yeah, so you come and then you type it here and then you click on sign in. After that, now you see that the main platform will be opened for you. Most of you were having challenges with the smartphone, not seeing where the buttons are and the rest. If you are part of the people, if you're using a smartphone and you're having challenges, there is a link in the description below. I have added that link. It will take you to the live training section 1, the live training part 1. I showed you all the tricks that you can use whilst using smartphone to build your website just like a computer, right? So you go and then you watch that. After this tutorial, you go to the part 1 and then you watch it. I hope you get me. Good. So now we are proceeding from here. Now that you are here, you see upgrade dashboard, CRM, website, emails. You come to website, right? So you click on website and then you scroll through and then you come to, let's choose sales funnels. Let's choose sales funnels, right? So you click on sales funnels and then over here you see I have already created a mobile video editing sales funnel here. This is what we created when I was teaching you in the first and second part videos. Okay, let me click it for you to see. Let me show you. So let me view the page. I don't know if you can see it. All right, so here is it. Let me click on this for you. Okay, so this is the page that we created, right? Good. Good. So here is it. So here is it. So here is it. So that is what we are going to create right now. That is what we are going to create right now. Hold on, give me a few minutes. Let me work on something briefly, then get back to you. Give me a few minutes, right? I'll be back soon. So I want to show you how what you are going to create looks like. Okay. That's why I decided to go back a little. Okay. Good. So here is what I'm talking about. This is what it looks like. Now see, here is it. Okay, good. So after creating everything, this is how your page is going to look like, right? This is what I showed you in the previous training. Do you get it? Do you see it now? Do you see it now? If you see it now, type yes for me to know if you can see it before we start everything. Do you see it now? Yeah, so your page is going to look like this. Okay, this is how your page is going to look like. Turn your smartphone into a video editing powerhouse. Good. So at this side, this is where I'm saying if somebody clicks, it will take the person to either you, if you're using a personal WhatsApp link, or to the payment platform if you're using international payment platform link. Whichever link that you add behind this as a redirect link, that is what the person will be directed to. Okay, so the same way, if the person clicks as get access now, it will take the person to either you or the payment platform to make payments right away. You can also add your testimonials. Okay, these are testimonials from my previous students who joined my video editing masterclass, I think last year. Okay, some of them, these are some of their comments. Okay, so you can also add all these to your website, and then you can even give them discount. People that wants to get discount, you can add them there, and the rest, and then you can add enroll now. All these are there. Okay, so we are going to go through all these to see how best we can create our own landing page. So if you have your content, your flyer, and your payment link ready, now we are going to start. So let me go to my content. I'm going to get my content. My content. I'm opening my view, don't worry. All right. Okay, now, so here is it. Let me take this off and then take you right to this page. Then we start. Good. Can you see my screen now? Good. Can you see my screen now? If you can see, type yes, I can see. Then we continue. Okay. Okay, so you have the sales funnel. All right, if you have or you have already created sales, the sales funnel is just a funnel, okay, which it is going to help you identify the various funnels that you have created. So the name that you're going to give to this sales funnel is not what people will see when they click it. You get it? Aha, that is not it. Let's see. So this one, we already have this. Let me delete it. Let me delete it. Then we start afresh, so you don't get confused. I'm deleting it. Good. So we are all back to square one. We are all back to square one, right? Good. We are all back to square one. So we are now going to start everything afresh from scratch. Okay, good. So let me proceed from here. You click on website, you click on sales funnels, and this is how it looks like. Whether on smartphone, whether on computer, that is how it will look like. Oops. Okay. You come to where they've written create this side. You'll see at the right hand side, you click on create, and then you click on the name. You type the name. Okay, so this name is what people are going to see when they click the link. So what exactly are you going to create? Which landing page are you going to create? Do you get it? So you see I've already deleted the first one, so let me use that one. Okay, are you cool with that? Yeah, let me use that one. So let me say mobile video editing, right? I've already deleted the first one, so we are all starting afresh. Mobile video editing masterclass. So I type it there like this, and then automatically you have your funnel domain over here. All right, automatically used to sign up, and then they will add the system.io for you. So after you have done that, all that you need here, just type your name of the particular thing, that's either product or service that you're going to give to people, and then you choose your funnel goal, either to build an audience, either to sell to them directly, either you want the custom one which you start from scratch, or you run an evergreen webinar. If it is for webinars that you're going to run, then you choose the site. Okay, now over here you come to currency, you see it is euro, so you click on this button and then you select your country. Okay, so let me delete it and type GH. So you see Ghanaian cedi. Good, because we are in Ghana now. So after that, you choose your, then we are good to go. So mobile video editing masterclass, we have the domain selected. Then you choose the funnel goal. So let me say let me choose the first one, build an audience, right? Build an audience. And then I scroll down. The currency has already been selected. So if you noticed, after selecting the currency, somehow ash color or highlighted, simply because there are some things over here which I have not done, okay, which was the sales funnel that I have not selected. So the funnel, I've chosen it now, so they are giving me access. So all that you're going to do is you click on what? Save. Okay, save. Now after clicking on save, you see that the funnel will now be created. So name, mobile video editing masterclass. If you can see all that I did and you can hear me well, type yes, continue, so that I continue from there. Type yes, continue, so that I continue from there. If you see everything and you heard everything, type yes, continue, so that I continue from there. Type yes, continue, so that I continue from there. Can you see? Can you hear? Just type in the comment section yes, continue, so that I know you are following. so that I know I'm not speaking to myself. All right, all right, all right. Yes, you can hear. Okay, that's fine. So we are going to proceed. Now, what you're going to do next is you see the funnel here, and then there is a button here. So if you highlight this button, you see view. The view is going to take you to the funnel, how it looks like. If you want to duplicate it, if you want to share, if you want to deactivate, settings, delete. Okay, but we don't need any of them now. All that we need is this. You click on your funnel name, okay, and then the funnel will be opened. As soon as you click the funnel name, the funnel will be opened. Now there is one thing I want to over here. If I show you the preview will be opened in a different window, which you will not see unless I go and then switch again. So let me switch the screen to the entire screen so that you all follow. Okay, give me a few minutes. Give me a few minutes. Let me switch to the entire screen so that you can all see everything. All right. Good. So I believe now you can see the screen. Great, great, great. Do you see everything now? Let me check. If you can see, then we proceed. Give me a few minutes. On Literate Academy. On Literate Academy live. All right. Give me 30 seconds, right? Great. So let's proceed from here, right? Let me reduce the noise. So we have the various templates over here, right? After clicking on the website, go into your sales funnel and then choosing the sales funnel that you're going to work on. Mobile video editing masterclass. Okay. Now you come to the various templates that they will give you. So you can select from any of them that you want, depending on whichever product or service you're going to render to people. Okay, you will decide on whichever template you want to use. So you can scroll through like this. You check this side, you see a scroll bar here, right? So you scroll through like this. There are so many templates that you can use. So if you don't want any of them, you can switch it to the 15 templates part, the 30 templates part, or you can click on next. Okay, now the next template will come. So you just take your time and go through all of them. Take your time. The one that If you reach it and you think it is okay for you, then you select it. I cannot tell you the particular template you are supposed to choose. You get it? Good. This is because you are the one going to create your own page, and you know the particular product or service that you are going to render to people, right? So you are the person that will choose the particular template that you want. I hope you get me now. So let me go back to the previous one. Let me select any of them, and then we use it to create our page. So you watch it very well, watch it closely, and see how I'm going to do it. So you follow and then you do yours, right? So which one should I choose? Which one should I choose? Okay, let's preview this. So as soon as you highlight it like this, you see select. If you click on select, it means you are going to the editing page to go and edit it. You get it? If you click on preview template, now it will open another page for you, which you will see how the entire page is going to look like. Do you get it? If you click on the preview, that is how it is going to be. So the entire page, this is how it is going to look like. So maybe you have finished creating. This is the page and you are going to just edit it. You get it? Aha. So we have about us, support us, news, events, contact, donate, and then empowering women and girls worldwide, blah, 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 blah. A whole lot over here. Okay. So you can go through them and then you choose the one that you are okay with, right? Let me come back and then select something simple so that I can use it to teach you very quick for you not to find yourself wanting. Let me go to the next page. For the mobile video editing, let me go to the next page. Which one do you think is fine? Tell me which one do you think is fine? Okay, let me choose this, right? So we have expert legal guidance, and then we have work, we have services over here. So if you go through like this, you see the page, and we are going to edit it, right? Good. So all that I'll do is if I like this, right, then I click on what? Select. Okay, I click on select. So let me click on it for it to be opened. After clicking on it, now you see the name, squeeze page, right? Squeeze page. Over here you have to edit it. Then you type the name of whichever product or service you are going to render. So mobile video editing masterclass, right? And then after that, if you come here, you see that there are some codes added to your main domain. Okay, there are some codes added to your main domain. You can decide to leave it like that, or you can decide to edit it. Okay, maybe you want your clients to see that yes, this is a mobile video editing masterclass. You see some of the links that I create and give to you right after the main domain. You see the actual course that I'm rendering over there. Okay, good. So what you're going to do here is, if you want to delete it, let me delete it and see if it will work. So we have mobile. Let me use small letters. So mobile video editing masterclass, or let me make it mobile video editing VIP, right? Something like this, mobile video editing VIP class. So as this actual domain is here, the one that you added will also be here. So after typing it here, then you click on any empty space like this. That one will also be marked. If somebody has already taken it, they will not mark it for you. But if somebody is not taking it and it is available, then it will be marked green for you. Okay, so this is the link that you can copy and then give to people after creating your website or after creating your landing page. I hope you get me. Now, after naming, getting your URL, now you come to this side and then you can click on view funnel step to see the page again. Okay, the page that you're going to edit again, right? You can scroll through and then see the page again. It does not mean that compulsorily you have to write some things over here. You can even delete all of them and start afresh, right? So don't worry. Now, if you want to edit the page, you come here, you click on edit page. Now it will take you to the page where you're going to edit your web page, okay? Where you're going to edit your web page or your landing page. So you see the page is now open. So this is where we are going to work. This is where we are going to work. All right, good. If maybe the template that you've chosen, you don't like it, doesn't look all that nice for you, okay? You don't feel good with it. So all that you're going to do is, let me click on the edit page again. If you scroll through and you see that it is not cool, it's not cool, you want to change it, right? You click on this button. Watch it well, watch it closely. This button at the top right corner, you see a certain arrow over there, okay? A certain arrow over there. So you click on it and then it will take you back to where your funnel is, okay? Where you are viewing your funnel. And then you come this side, you come to this side, you see change page template. So you click on that. If you click on that, they will tell you you are about to apply a new template to the page. All changes will be lost. You want to continue? If you want to continue, you click on confirm. Now it will take you back to the various templates that are available, and then the one that you want, you just go through them and then you choose. Okay, this is if the template you have chosen, you don't like it, you want a different one. So you can scroll through the available templates and then you select the one that you want. I hope I'm clear now. Good. Can I continue from here? So I choose a template and then we start building. If you can hear me, type yes, continue. Yes, I can see, continue. So that I continue from here. Can you hear me? All right. You can hear me, type yes, so I continue. Okay, so let me choose any of these templates. Yes, okay. Somebody is saying carry on. Are you a Nigerian? Somebody is saying, please, can you use your own template? These are already made templates for you that you can select from. Okay, yes, you can start from scratch. So let me do that one. Let's say I have clicked. Let me preview this for you to see. So these are already made templates. Okay, already made templates. Maybe you don't like it, you want your own. So you come to your sales funnel. Even if you select the page like this and then you have named it already, you click on edit and then your editing page has been opened, right? It has been opened. So it has been opened. Now you just click on Control A. Let me click on Control A. Everything will be selected, right? Good. So even including the entire command buttons. So all that you're going to do here is just delete them. Okay. The ones that you don't want, just delete it and start your own. Over here, you can add your image. The about section, you can add more about your website or your product and services. The contact, you can add your contact. Then everything. Don't worry. Let me finish everything. Okay, then answer your questions. Let's go fast. Right. So let's take it as you want to add your image here. Okay. So you click on it like this. After clicking on it, you see image file at your left hand corner, and then you see the logo, the already available made logo. Okay, that is not what you want, so you come to its side, this side, and then you click on it, and then it will take you to where they are saying upload, and then your images. If you click on your images, it means you have already uploaded some images which you want to choose from them and use. If you have not uploaded any image, then you come to upload, then you click on select. All right, it will take you to your computer, and then you select the one that you want to use. Okay, let me see if I can find my logo here, and then I use it, right, just for tutorials. So I have, okay, let me use this. I click on it, I click on open. Now it will be opened. You see it is uploading, right? Good. After it has been uploaded like this, okay, now you come here. They are saying optimizing in progress, so you wait for a while, then you click on insert. Okay, so after clicking on insert, you see my logo has come to the website. Do you get it? So this is how you also add your logo if you're having a logo, and you can decide to edit it. Okay, you can decide to edit it to suit how you want it to look like. Maybe this is too big, so you come to this side, you click on it. After clicking on it, you come to this side, okay, and then you scroll down. You will see image size, and then there is a size here, 483, so you can reduce it. Okay, you can reduce it to make it very small. Do you get it? To make it very small. Good. So that is how we add our logo to the website. Do you get it? Good. So you can reduce it. Okay. Now, the next thing, let's come to about. The about section. Maybe you want to tell people more about yourself, who you are. Okay. Then you can click it. After clicking on it, now you come here. You see about. All right. And then you see hashtag. If the person clicks about, should the person be taken to a different web page? If yes, then you click on open in a new window. If the person has to see it as a sub window too, then you select, right? But me, I don't need the about, the whatever. Okay, so let me delete that one. I only need the contact. If the person wants to contact me, what contact should the person see? So at this same side, you click, you see contact, and then you see hashtag. So you click, you type your number there. Let me use our, okay, +233 5077264747. Good. So as soon as the person clicks it, should it be opened in a new window, or should it have a sub menu? I want it to have a sub menu, so I click on this. Okay, good. Now you see the sub menu items. How should it be displayed? If you don't want it like that, then you delete it. You come to open in a new window. You can also decide to add a link over here instead of your normal phone number, right? So any of them that you want is your own cup of tea. 5077264747. Anyone that you want is okay. So you click on it like this, open in a new window. Now we are good to go. Let's proceed. So that is for the contact session. Now anything that you're doing here, you can save it. Just click on save changes, okay, to save it, right? And then you can also view it to see whether you are doing the right thing or you're doing the wrong thing. Do you get me? You can also click it to see whether you're doing the right thing or you're doing the wrong thing. Okay, good. All right, hold on. Okay, so if you want to preview and see what you are doing, you click on this button, the one that looks like a human eye. Okay, so you click on it to preview. Now the preview of everything that you're doing will be displayed for you to see whether you're doing the right thing or the wrong thing. You can click on this line, the close button here, to close it. Okay, now you see this is my logo which I put there, and then this is the contact. So let me click on the contact to see. You see the contact. Okay, I didn't add a link, I rather added the phone number. So it's not a website, they won't see, they will see a wrong one. Okay, so now what I added there is wrong, so I can go back and do what? And edit it. Do you get it? Good. So let me close this, let me go back to the editing page and then continue from there. So over here, sorry, the contact. So you come to the contact, and then the link that I created, I will add it here. You get it? Good. I will add it here so that as soon as they click it, they can be taken to me. If I don't want it to, let me delete it and then proceed. Now, the next thing that you can do is the topic. Okay, so I'm adding the topic. Maybe turn your smartphone into a video editing powerhouse. Copy, then I come and then paste it over here where they've written guiding your way to success in the digital world. So you just double click to select, then you paste it, right? Turn your smartphone into a video editing powerhouse. If you want it to be underlined, fine, you can leave it like that. It is well underlined. If you don't want it to be underlined, you select them all, and then you click on this side, underline. Now it will go, it will not be underlined again. Let me click this side for you to see. You see, turn your smartphone into a video editing powerhouse. If you want it to be underlined too, you come and then you click on it. If you want to italize it, you click on the italic for it to be italized. If you want it to be bold, the same way, any way you want it to be done, it's up to you. Okay, you are the one editing it. So turn your smartphone into a video editing powerhouse. Now I scroll down here. If you don't want anything, now this is, so you click on anything that you don't want, you click, you highlight, you click, and then you delete. Okay, so now I've come here. This side, you know, this is an image. Maybe I want to add my own picture there. Okay, so all that you do, you just select the image, and then after clicking on the image which is already there, you come here, you come to the left hand side, and then you see the image file over here. So you click the cloud, the button that looks like a cloud. Okay, so you click on it, and then the same procedure that we use to upload the logo, you follow the same procedure. If the flyer or the picture is on your computer, you click on select file, you go to your computer and select. If it is not on your computer but you have already uploaded it, you come to the images. Okay, and all the images that you have already uploaded will come here. So let's take it as I have uploaded this one already, so I'll select it, and then I'll come here and click on insert. Now you see the flyer has come to replace the previous picture which was there when I was giving the template. Do you get it? Good. Now let's proceed from here. So let's proceed. The next thing that we want to do is to add maybe a description. Okay, a description about it. So you come here, let me add the description. Master Pro level video editing on your phone and start making money today. So I have it here. So I come here, and then I will select, I will delete it, and then I will replace it. Okay, so you see Master Pro level video editing on your phone and start making money today. So I told you to prepare your content. That is why I showed you how to create your content with AI in our first tutorials. Okay, good. So over here, you can decide to underline it if you want. If you want to italize it to any any way you want it to be done, you can do it. I hope you get me. You can also decide if you think it is the length you don't want it, you can increase it. Okay, you just locate your mouse pointer on it, or you just locate. After locating it, you see there will be some lines around it, so you can use it to increase it or decrease it, decrease the length, the size, and the rest. Okay, good. So let me see. I have this one here, I have this one here, and then the next one, you see book a meeting. Book a meeting. So book a meeting, that one is what if they click, it will take them to the particular page or the particular person that you want the client to be redirected to. Do you get it? So if I click the book a meeting like this, okay, if I click it like this, you see this side has opened, and they have written here action when button clicked, and they have clicked, they have indicated show pop-up. Do you see it? Do you see it? Good. So this side is what I'm showing you. That is why I have decided to scroll for you to see. Some of you are not seeing what I'm talking about. So this side is what I'm saying. If you click the button, now you come to this side. Okay, you come to this side. Good. So if you come to this side, now you scroll down, you go down to where they've written book a meeting. This book a meeting, you come here, you see typography button text. So maybe I want to change it to register now. So I just select it and then I type register now. Are you getting me? Good. Register now. And then if they click it, where should they be taken to? Should they be taken to my web page, or should they be taken to the international payment platform right away to go and register, or should they be taken to me directly? Okay, good. That one I'll show you soon. So register now. You see the register now here. And then if you want to increase it, you can increase it. If you want to reduce it, you can reduce it. See where I am doing it. Okay, right after the button text where they've written typography and then the button text, you can see it over there. You can also increase or decrease the height of it. Okay, you can increase or decrease the height of it. So if you're increasing the height, look at how it looks like. And if you are decreasing the height also, you see how it looks like. The same register now button, if you click, you can change the color. Okay, you can change the color. Maybe you don't want the background color, the black, you don't want it, you can change it. The same way you can change the text. So if you want to change the background color, you scroll down. Whilst you have selected that button, you'll see background color over here. So you click on that background color and then you select the particular color that you want. So maybe I want it to be red, right? So I select the red, and then you can choose from the red, which particular red do you want? Is it this one? Is it this one? Any red that you want, you can choose from the color mixes over there, right? So we have red. Let me select this red by default, and then for tutorial's sake, I don't want to waste much time here. Okay, so let me be quick. Let me choose any of the colors that is okay. So we have red here, and then we have register now. So you see now, maybe after clicking on it, selecting the red, you still want to change the text color. The same way, the same place, the next one is the text color. So you click on text and then you choose the color that you want. Maybe you want it to be what? Black. Then you click on black. Do you get it? So you have it this way. So you see register now and then black. If you don't want the black color and you want it to remain white, you come back to the text color and then you select the white. I hope you get me. Good. So that is that. Somebody will ask, what if I want to move it from where it is? So you select it, and then you come to this side. After selecting that particular button, you come to this side. Okay, you come to this side where they are saying alignment. Over here it is left aligned, this is center, all right, and then this is right alignment. So if you want it to go to the right, you do that. If you want it to be here, you do that. I hope you get me now. All right, so that is how it is done. Now the next thing is, after they have clicked on the button register now, where should they be taken to? This is where you will add your link, okay, whether your international payment platform link or your personal WhatsApp link, or whichever page that you want them to be directed to. So you come to the top here where they've indicated action when button clicked. So you click on the button like this, and then you indicate which action you want to be taken. You want them to submit a certain form, maybe they have to fill a certain form before you allow them access, or how do you want them to be? So maybe I want them to open a URL. If you want them to download a file, right, then you can also do that. So over here, I want them to open a URL. So I'll click on the URL like that, okay. And then over here where they've written URL, you will enter your URL. The URL is either your payment link, so as soon as they click it, it will take them to the payment page to make their payment, or your personal WhatsApp link. So if you have not joined the masterclass yet, if you have not joined the VIP class where I am teaching how to set up your international payment platform to receive payment from anywhere around the world, if you have not joined, you better join. Check the link in the description below, you will see it, okay. So you click on it to go register, send me a screenshot of your payment, and then I will add you to the masterclass right away for you to enjoy it. You learn and then create your own payment platform for whichever product or service you're having. So if you have it, if you don't have it too, and you want them to be directed to you right away, maybe to your WhatsApp number, they should come and then chat you. Then you create your WhatsApp link as I showed you when we started the lesson, okay. So now the URL, I'm going to paste my international payments platform setup for my mobile video editing, okay, just for practicals. So let me go and then copy it. I'll be back soon. All right, so now I come here and then I paste it, the shortened link that I have. So I paste it like this, okay. Now after pasting it there, the next thing is, you want them to be opened, that page that the visitors will be redirected to. Do you want it to be opened in a new window or in the same window? So that one you indicate, okay. If you want them to be open in the same window, fine. If you want it to be open in a new window too, that is your own choice, right? So let's take it as I want it to be opened in a new window. Can you hear me? Can you hear me well? Type in the comment section if you can hear me, so that I see whether you are following. If you can hear me, type yes, I can hear you. Type yes, I can hear you, so that I see whether you can hear me well or not. Then I proceed from there. Type yes, I can hear you if you can hear me well. Type yes if you can hear me well. So I proceed from there. Can you hear me? Type it in the comment section. So I proceed from here. If you can hear me, type yes, I can hear you. So I proceed from here. Yes, if you can hear me, type in the comment section. Type in the comment section. So I see that you can hear me. Let me enter the comment section. Money Literate Academy. Can you hear me? Yeah. Great. 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 So let's proceed. Now, the register now, you want to open it in a new window, right? So you select it. You get it. And then you come to the button wedge. The button wedge. You can decide to leave it like that, either fluid or fill wedge. Okay. If you choose the fill wedge, this is how it is going to look like. There will be more outline over there. Okay. And if you don't want it and then you want it to be fluid too, this one is fine. Okay. So let's quickly go and then preview for you to see how it looks like now. Good. So now we have our page. Turn your smartphone into a video editing powerhouse. And then we have our flyer here. And then we have Master Pro level video editing, blah, blah, blah. And then we have register now. Okay. You see, all these are there because we have not deleted them yet, right? We will clear them all by the end of the lesson. So let me click on register now for you to see how it's going to look like. So as soon as I click on register now, you see, turn your smartphone into a video editing powerhouse, blah, 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 blah. Okay. So I click on the register now. Let's go back. Let me save it first before I click it. Okay. Let me save it. Save the changes. Save the changes. Hold on, I'll be with you shortly. Hello. Hello. Yeah, I'm hearing you. I'm okay, so let's proceed from here. Save changes. After clicking on save changes, now let me preview and let's see how it goes. Let me preview and see how it goes. So turn your smartphone, blah, blah, blah. Register now. Okay. So let's come back. Register. URL. Open URL. Okay. Open in the same window. Let me save. And then click on preview. Yeah, so here is it. Register now. Hold on. Let me check the URL link that I used. Okay. The URL, let me use a different URL. Let me copy this and then come and replace it here. So we proceed. It seems that URL is not working. Okay, so register. You click on register and then you come to the URL. Oh, there was a hashtag. Yes, there was a hashtag. That is why there was a hashtag. So you have to delete that hashtag. Okay, I'm still maintaining it over here. Let's see. Let me save it. There was a hashtag which I didn't check. So preview and then let me go and click on register now and then see if it will take me to good. Yes. Now we have created it. So you see that it has now taken me to the international payment platform. Okay. Yes. So That is it. You click on register now. Let me preview it again for you to see. Let me delete this one. And then you see the over here, open in a new window. That is what we are using. Remember, open in a new window. That is what we are using. Okay. So if you are using open in a new window, this is how it's going to look like. Let me save. Open in a new window, in the same window, sorry. And then let me preview it. So I click it like this. Now I click on what? Register now. So it will open, but within the same window. You see the platform has opened for me to go and what? Buy. Okay. So I have to click on buy now. As soon as I click on buy now, I'll be granted access to enter my details and then review and pay. Do you get it? Good. Now let's check the open in the new window. So if you select, you come this side, the same register button, you come this side and then you select open in a new window. All right, let's see how that one is also going to look like. So I'll click on save changes. Any changes that you make, you should save it, right? And then you click on the eye, the human eye, to preview it and see how it will look like. Okay, so let me scroll down and then click on register. So as soon as I click it, you see another window has been opened. So this is the first window where I am previewing it, and then this is the second window that has been opened for me to go and then make my payment. I hope you get it now. All right, so let's proceed from here. So let's go to the editor section. Now I have added some small info about my product and services. Let's take it as I want to add more. Okay, I want to add more to it. Over here, I want to give my people more details, right? So all that I will do is I will select, you highlight your mouse pointer on it like this. You see the green section which will come around it. Okay, good. So you can highlight it like this and then delete it. All those that you don't want, you highlight and then you do what? You delete it. So I'll highlight like this and then I'll come to this button which says delete, the delete button, the dustbin. All right, the dustbin. So I'll click on it and then I'll delete it because I don't want it. Now I come here, anyone that you don't want, you can delete. So you see services, I don't want it, I can delete it. And maybe I want to give my people more info about the course. So maybe why this course is for you. So let me copy and paste that one here. Right? Control A, Control V. Why this course is for you. You get it? I'm adding more info to it. And then all these are this side. I don't need select and then I will drag it. Okay, to the left side. I'll come here, the same thing. I will drag it to the right side. Okay. I will drag it to the right side. So you are just editing it, right? You are just editing it. Another thing that you can do is if you don't want it and you think it will disturb you. Oh, ECG has turned off the light. If you don't want it, you can scroll down and then come and select one of the templates here. You choose it and then you use it. Okay. So maybe I come here, I want to use this one. So I select it. I want to use this one. Let me come down. Maybe I want to use this. Let me scroll through. All right, so why? I want to delete all these sessions for simplicity, okay, so that we can be fast for you to get things well. All these that we don't need, we delete them. All these that we don't need, we delete them. All these that we don't need, we delete them. Okay. All right, so maybe we want to use this one. the success story, right? Then we use it. If you don't want, we delete that one too. So you'll be deleting. You delete all those that you don't need. All right. You delete all those that you don't need. You can also delete the entire section for them all to go. Okay. Good. The entire section for them all to go. Let me delete. Let me be fast. Okay. Let me be fast. All right. So maybe let me delete. I don't need all these. Don't need all this. I want to add something small to it. So over here, you see I've deleted everything, right? Let me click on save changes and then preview it for you to see. So here is it now. You see register now, the flyer, and then the topic and the subtopic and the description. So maybe I want to add more to it instead of just the short message. So what you're going to do, you come here, you come to where they've written elements, okay, and then you click on text, right? Text. Now you see there is a text added, so you can edit this and then you add your own text to it. I hope you get me. All right, so I don't want these. Let me delete these ones. Let me come here. Now you can move it to the top, right? Move it to the side. And then you can also come here. You click on it like this. You come here. The pattern, right? The pattern. You can move it. And it will be going. Unfortunately, ECG has taken my light. So I'm teaching from the dark, right? That's why I'm finding it difficult. They've turned off the light just now, which is very, very bad. Okay, so let me move it up. Now you can also, so Control A, and maybe I want to increase the font size, right? Good. And then the line height, you can increase or decrease it. The spacing, you can increase or decrease it, right? To suit how you want it to be. The rest is up to you. Okay, the rest is up to you. So let me reduce the font size. Oh, light out. Okay, so because of the lighting issue, let me try and be quick and let me delete all these sites, all those that we don't need. Let's clear them all fast so that we can do some other things. Why is ECG misbehaving like that? Okay, so if you want to, maybe this one, somebody asked, what if he wants to add his own thing instead of editing? If you come here, you can add, you come to the content box, okay? You can add something, okay? Anything that you want to add, you can add. If you want to add a headline, you can add a headline, something like this. You click on it, then you come here, you add a headline. If you don't want it, you can delete it. As easy as possible. As easy as possible. Okay, so let me move this one on top. The legal call to action. Let me fill that one with this. So you select and then you add whichever message you want to add. Okay, good. So that is how it is. That is how it looks like. Then you proceed from here. If it is images that you want to add, you come here, you come to this side, image, okay, and then you select the particular image that you want to add, the same way as we used to add other images, right? Good. You select and then you add your image. So that is it. You see this image for the testimonials, the screenshot, okay, the screenshot. So let me delete this. Let me delete this one too. Now over here, you highlight, you delete. You highlight, you delete. You pull it up a little. Do you get it? Aha. So I believe now you've seen how to add your image. The image, your own image. Let me do it again for you to see. So these are testimonies from previous courses, right? So over here, you come to this side, you click on image. If it is video that you want to add, you click on this side, video, okay? And they will allow you to add a video. So let me click it for you to see. If it is video, so you click on this side, you see the video section has been opened and they have made a system.io video by default. So you click on it like this and then you come to this side. Do you want people to be directed to maybe your YouTube or different place to watch the video? If yes, then you leave it like that. If not, then you want to embed the video right away, you embed it. If you want to upload the video there for them to watch right away, you click on what? Upload file, okay? And then you come here where they've written video and then you click on the cloud button and then you come and you select, you click select file, you go to your computer and then you select the video. Do you get it? I hope you get me. So that is it. Let me close it and then delete that side. I don't want it. So let me delete it. Okay. So I have added how many pictures? One. Let me add additional ones. Maybe this testimonial. Insert. And then let me come and check. Just for practicals, okay, in order not to waste much time. So the last one that I want to add is let me add the last one, okay, which is headline text. Let me add headline text here. Over here, then I edit it to be maybe for more information, contact, maybe +233 5077267747, something like that. Okay, good. Then we are good to go. So for more information, contact +233 5077267747. Do you get it? Good. So that is that. Now, if you come here, there are so many things you can add. So you take your time and go through them. Okay. You can add text, you can add headline text, you can add bulleted text. You can also add content box there. Play around them to see how they all look like. You can also add audio. You can add them, you can add carousel, different columns. You can also add forms, buttons. Now this is how the button works. Let me click on it for you to see. You see, when we were editing the template at a portion where we did the register now, if you want to add your own button, you can also click on it. So just click on the button like this. You come this side, you click on this and you see click here to submit. So maybe you click on this and then you come to this side where you see button, then action. When button is clicked, you click the arrow, you click what you want them to do, okay, or where you want them to go. You come to the URL, then you enter the particular place that you want them to be, whether they should come to you or they should go to a different page. Okay, just as we did to the first one, you can also do same. So let me just copy this and paste it here quickly. So you paste it there, and then you come here. Do you want them to be open in the same window? Let's say new window. Do you want it to be centered, align right or align left? I want it to be centered. Okay, then you come to this side. Do you want it to be fluid or fill with? Okay, good. And then where they've written click here, you want that same click here or you want different word? So you scroll down, you come to where they've written typography. That is where you change that word. So maybe I want it to be get instant access now, right? Good. So you click on you, and then you can increase it. You see get instant access now. And then the line height, you can decide to reduce it or increase it. Sorry, let me scroll to that side. The line height, you see, you can reduce it, right? And then you see they've written submit subtext here. If you don't have any subtext that you want to add, then you can delete it. Okay. So this is the subtext where they've written subtext here. You can delete it. Just select and delete. That is all. Then you're good to go. So you can push this one to the top, and then you can bring this one to the bottom. Okay. So you see this one has come to the top, and then this section I don't need it, I delete it. This section I don't need it, I delete it. Right. Then for more information, contact this number. So let me save and then preview it for you to see. Good. So this is just a preview of it. Now you come here, you see turn your smartphone into a video editing powerhouse, the flyer, the register now, why this course is for you, the various testimonies from them, from our previous clients or our previous students, and then get instant access now. And then for more information, contact. You see, good. So you can take your time and make yours. Okay, take your time and edit it to suit yours. You get it? If you take your time and do it, it will be very, very beautiful. It will be very, very beautiful. So take your time and do it, as following all that I've showed you here. Right now, you click on save changes. You click on save changes, and if you want to share the link to people, you click on this button. And then now that you have finished everything and you want to give people access to that web page to get to know more about your products and services, if you click it, now you come this side where it looks like a chain. So you click it like this, it will be copied. After it is copied, now you can paste it anywhere you want. So let me open a new page and paste it for you to see. Control V, enter. Good. Now you see the page has been opened. As simple as that. And then if I go through and I want to register, if I click on register now, you see that it will open for me to register. You get it? If not, if I come down here and then I click on get instant access now, that one too will take me to the page, okay, where I want people to pay and then register. Do you get it? Do you get it? Good. So that is how we build our landing page or our website from scratch. You take your time and then do yours, right? Take your time and do yours. If you have any question now, you can ask it in the comment section. I'm waiting for you to respond to them before we wrap up. I have a special gift for those available. If you're available too, you will get it. If you're not available, you lose it. So if you have any question, ask me there. then we wrap up. If you have any question, ask me there. So we wrap up. If you have any question, ask before we move on. Any question? Any question? Any question? Any question? Any question? Now you can ask the question that you were asking. I think Paddy asked a certain question that I said I will answer. Or Paddy, have I answered your question? Have I answered your question? While the training was ongoing. That's fine. If I've answered it, then we proceed. Now we are getting on to the final part. So after creating your website, now you tell me from all that you've learned. If you have any question, ask. So how do you see tonight's training? You type it in the comment section for me. Is there any other thing you want me to teach you? You type it in the comment section, right? If you're available, type it in the comment section. How do you see tonight's training? Type it in the comment section. Then you stand the chance of winning a special giveaway. A special giveaway. Type how you see tonight's training in the comment section. So you stand the chance of winning a special giveaway. It's for only those that will comment. If you don't comment, you won't get it. Please, if you don't comment, you will not get the giveaway. So don't come to my inbox telling me you didn't get it, so I should give it to you. It's for only those that will comment that I'll give it to them. So this is the International Payment Platform Setup Masterclass. It is ongoing. If you are interested, WhatsApp any of the numbers there to get access, or click the link in the description below to register now and then get access, so that you can also set up your platform to receive money from anywhere around the world, to sell your products or services to anybody from any country that the person is coming from. All right, so that is that. Now I'm waiting for your comments. So how do you see tonight's training? What should I improve more and what should I not add? Let me see. Your giveaway. I'm preparing your giveaway, so I'm waiting for your comments. It's true, yeah. Great. Great. Are you there? Can you hear me? If you can hear me, type in the comment section how you see this training, so I give it to you. All right. So I have 7 entries there. 7 entries there. Let me see if I can show you that part. I have 7 people that comment, that add up their comments. All right. So you stand a chance of winning a Photoshop masterclass today. Yeah. For joining this training and adding your comment. Can you see the screen now? So those that added their comments, let's see. These are the people that added their comments. So who wins? Who wins? Paddy. Paddy. Paddy added his comment. you have won yourself a yeah, send me a screenshot of this. Send me a screenshot of it, and then I'll get you a very huge package which you didn't get access to it in our previous lesson. A very huge package. Paddy, send a screenshot of this to me on my WhatsApp 0507726747 to get access to your package. That is my giveaway for you. Let me try and see if I can give another last free gift before we proceed, and then we end the lesson. Yeah. So your special gift for winning this party is Adobe After Effects with motion graphics and animation. Adobe After Effects with motion graphics and animation. So you screenshot this, and then we have Johnny Bonzi here being very informative and highly educative. In fact, this has given me high hopes as I used to wonder how to get about it. Again, I realized that I have a lot to learn. Yes, you indeed have a lot to learn. That's true. All right, so let me run another giveaway and let's see. Let me run another giveaway and let's see who wins. Okay, great. So let's draw again. Let's draw again. Who wins? Let's draw again. Mubarak Adam Abdullah. Okay. Mubarak Adam Abdullah. So you screenshot this, and then you send to stand the chance of winning your Adobe After Effects with motion graphics and animation. This is a complete course worth $79, but I'm giving it out for free to those that joined the training, right? To those that joined the training. Let me rerun and see who again wins the third giveaway. The third giveaway. Andrew Akwete. Okay. To receive your giveaway. There is a last draw that I want to do, and anybody that wins, you get access, right? Let me let's go. Still keep commenting. Let me exclude the winners. Yes. So the winners, I've excluded you. Let me draw for the last and see who wins. Who wins? Johnny Bonzi. Okay, Johnny Bonzi. So you send a screenshot of this page privately on WhatsApp, and then you receive your special gift. So this special gift goes to 3 people, and you have all won. So we have Johnny Bonzi. I don't remember those that got yes first though. So you have to send a screenshot to me for them, right? So this brings us to the end of our training today. And as I said earlier, the training is ongoing for those that want to join our international payment platform VIP class. You will learn how to set up your payment platform to receive money from anywhere around the world. Let me get you a summary or a sample of how it works. Okay, let me get you a sample of how it works, a quick preview of how it works. Let me share it right here for you to see. so you don't get confused. I'm coming. Give me a short. Give me a moment. I want to preview it for you to see what exactly is ongoing. Okay. Let me open this. Electricity is dealing with me right here. Electricity. 15 seconds. Let me show you a sample of what exactly is ongoing. So you know we are not joking. Yes. So you will learn how to create online shops for whatever product or service that you are having. You'll be able to create platforms for restaurants, for hotels, anybody, any institution that you want, any institution that you want. Yes, let me share. You can create it for the person and then you get paid. That one is even an opportunity for you, right? Great. So let's see. Let's see sample. So you get to know what exactly I'm talking about right here. Let me share my screen. I'm going to share my screen for you to see sample of the international payment platform setup. Okay. I'm going to share my screen now for you to see. Window, online payment. Okay. So it's loading. It will be displayed soon. Oh, let me be quick. Share screen. They are doing doomso here. Doomso. All right. Can you see my screen now? They are doing doomso here. They want to destroy my machines. Okay, great. So let me play for you to see. If you want to verify it yourself, right? You use this. Designing, training sessions, and the rest. So let's take it as I want to enroll in some of the courses offered by Anesthesia IT Services. So I'll click on it like this, enroll in a course, and then you see the expert-led courses available here. So we have the China importation,
international payment platform. Let me click on this, right, to join it. We have another other trainings also here. We have my video production masterclass, which I started since 2023 teaching people. Alright, so now let's try it and see. Let's look at as you have visited my website and you want to buy the course. Just click on it. Right. Yes. And then you see the payment platform has opened for you. So all you do is to let's say Ebenezer, your first name, your last name. Let me enter in your estimates. It's for estimates at gmail.954949090. Okay, and then yeah. So over here you select this. You're in Ghana, you select Ghana. If you're not in Ghana, you choose the country that you are in. Then you click on review and pay. And then if you have a discount code, use it. Now I'm giving it to you at 100 Ghana cedis. So you just click on pay 100 Ghana cedis. So after clicking on it,
That is a summary about what you are going to learn. On the payment platform, I will be teaching you how to create donation platforms, how to set up your various online courses, how to a lot. Okay. And after getting access to all of them, you are the one going to decide as to which product or service you want to use to sell, and then you can receive money from anywhere around the world. So now you check the description below. There is a payment link there. You click it to register now. And those of you having other questions too, you can chat me on WhatsApp for any um, assistance. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. And this brings us to the end of our training tonight. Have a blessed evening. Good night. Bye bye.